Pibare Ramarasam Rasani Pibare Ramarasam Sutta Paramahamsa Asramagitam Sukha Saunaka Kausika Mukhapitam. Suddha Paramahamsa Asramagitam. Hamsa is a swan that is floating in a water body. The swan is the water body that is completely standstill. The slightest ripples that are being generated is because of the movement of swan, movement of mind, disturbance or perturbance due to the mind oscillations. That mind is known as Hamsa, and that water body is faculty of intellect. That is Hamsa. So this is the state when the faculties are in complete union with each other, and they are expending the utmost lowest energy. That is the state of Hamsa. Paramahamsa is in this state, the practicing of Paravasikana Vidya. That is Paramahamsa. Asramagitam. So this slightest ripple created by the Hamsa mind is like Asramagitam. Asrama is the cottage of a saint. So Asramagitam is the slightest disturbance of the mind in the form of Hamsa, the ripples generated due to the oscillation of the mind known as Hamsa in faculty of intellect, floating on faculty of intellect. Sukha Saunaka Kausika Mukhapitam. Kausika Kausika was Vishwamitra, the guru of Rama. So the Mukhapitam is, as mentioned many a times, the sixth chakra is the Agna chakra, the residence of inner guru. So those who practice this Rama Rasa, the nectar of harmony, energy of northbound and southbound forces, those who drink this nectar of Rama Rasa, for those individuals, the oscillation of the mind is like Hamsa, and that oscillation is like a tune that we hear in the cottages of the saint, that is Asramagitam. And the Guru force will be seen in their face, that is Mukhapitam. Welcome to 191st episode of Lalitha Divya Rahasya Sahasranama Stotra. Next Nama is Gayatri. We have just seen the arrival of 8th generation human in Kalyana through Shakti Chetana Rupa Jadashakti Jadatmika. Now, Gayatri is accumulation of 48 qualities in 8th generation human. The souls preparing to descend onto earth to seek physical bodies in the Nama Bhanumad Bhanu Santati have entered onto planet earth through the Nama Jadatmika. The completion of 47 leads to the 8th generation have accumulated 48 qualities through Gayatri. The completion of 47 leads to 48. Prior to this Nama, the 8th generation human was already having 24 qualities. Now, through the Nama Gayatri, additional 23 qualities were added. The 7th generation human soul, although was descended from Bhuneshwari or Trisanku, were having only 24 qualities. The soul of 8th generation human was drawn from Jagatikanda. In spite of that, they have acquired 47 qualities. The reason for this is their parent souls were drawn from Bhuneshwari, whereas the parent souls of 7th generation were drawn from Jagatikanda. The act of love making is a beyond body conscious experience. Therefore, depending on the extent to which the harmonious state of love making penetrates beyond body consciousness, the souls present up to that perimeter become eligible to acquire physical bodies. The 6th generation male and female partners and their love-making vibrations were able to reach up to Bhuneshwari world in lunar planet, thus drawing a soul from that region to acquire a physical body. The 7th generation were evolved souls, although capable of inviting soul from a higher plane towards acquiring physical body, felt the urgent need to create vacancies in Jagatikanda and volunteered to uplift the soul from Jagatikanda by administering more qualities. What is Gayatri? Gayatri means a Suddha Vidya pertaining to lunar planet. The Suddha Vidya of lunar planet comprising of 24 qualities. This technique of lunar planet, Suddha Vidya, whenever manifests on planet Earth or the erstwhile planet Mars, transforms as 32 qualities. Because Earth and Mars, they are like mirror images. So the 24 qualities of lunar planet transforms as 32 qualities on planet Earth, on planet Mars. This was being covered in the Nama Suddha Vidyam Kurakara Dvijapankti Dvayojjvala. That was the event that happened in erstwhile world in Mars, on planet Mars. In this Nama, it was said one row of teeth performing a chopping or fine-tuning operation with 16 qualities and 2 rows of teeth comprising 32 qualities. The Suddha Vidya pertaining to lunar planet is having only 12 characteristics. The same Suddha Vidya, when manifests on planet Earth, gives rise to 16 characteristics. Gayatri Nama has got close association to cow. The prehistoric cows were having only 12 functional teeth in one row. If one observes the acoustics of cows calling, it can be inferred that a cow practices Gayatri Vidya. In the Nama, Goptri, in the sloka, in the Namas, Goptri Govinda Rupini, the origin of cows on planet Earth was explained. Cow operates in what is known as Grahayana, or the contour of planets. This is beyond Paschimana Purvayana or Uttarayana Dakshinayana, or east-westerly or north-south. cycle. The acoustic wave originated in Mooladhara of a cow, traverses across 6 chakras and bifurcates into 12 characteristics. These 12 characteristics further generate harmonics by the fine-tuning operation performed by the teeth to result in 24 qualities. The forward-moving wave, when encounters one row of cow's teeth, gives rise to 12 qualities, and the backward-moving wave, when subjected to second row of teeth, give rise to another 12 qualities, making it a total of 24 qualities. That is 24 qualities of the acoustics generated by the cow. One can see the impetus or pressure that a cow exerts in her Mooladhara in releasing an acoustic wave. If one observes the cry or the calling act of a cow, one can see the pressure exerted in Mooladhara. That is the origin of the acoustic wave. Therefore, 24 qualities of Gayatri Mantra are intrinsic to cow. The bijas of Gayatri Mantra are intrinsic to cow. Let us analyze the letters that constituted the term Gayatri. The magnetic force of Jupiter concentrated in Manipura Chakra and faculty of personality manifesting in Brahma Grandhi. In this state, having Rajoguna Tamoguna in Anahata is termed as Gayatri, meaning the inertial magnetic force action of Shaniswara in Manipura Chakra, drawing Rajoguna and Tamoguna virtues into Anahata Chakra. To these events, faculty of its personality in Brahma Grandhi is a witness. Cow is a physical representation of Jupiter on planet Earth. This was described in Srishtikatri Brahmarupa Goptri Govindarupini. The application of Ardhashodasha Vidya on Narayani virtues of water, earth and fire elements under the influence of Jupiter magnetic force and division of these in 3 Gandhis is Gayatri. That is 8, product of 8 and 3. 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. The faculties of intellect, discretion and personality getting saturated in magnetically driven Ardhashodasha Vidya results in formation of 24 characteristics. These 24 characteristics were preached by Guru Dattatreya. There are 24 forms of Guru in this universe. These 24 Guru forms can be unearthed by applying magnetically administered Ardhashodasha Vidya to each of the faculties of intellect, discretion and personality. Vishwamitra, the saint, invented the formula of Gayatri. Let us examine the Gayatri Mantra in the next episode. Thank you.